guys, this is NJ. Today we'll continue our series on fingers. Like the way I always say that chirognomy is the study of the structure of your hands. Your hand, every hand is unique in its own particular way, and those uniqueness in the formation of the hands also infuses the inherent personality traits as well. So that is the only reason why chirognomy is given very great significance. It is not as complicated as chiromancy is. Chiromancy is the study of the marking and lines of your hand, which is also used for the fortune telling part. But chirognomy is just to determine the structure of someone's hand, like how long your fingers are, how high set or low set on the palm your fingers are, how what is the shape of your palm, whether it is flabby, whether it is firm, whether it is hard. So all that comes under the domain of chirognomy. So as a part of our finger series, we have already discussed the index finger, which is associated with planet Jupiter, and it tells about someone's assertiveness in this life, how good leadership qualities he possesses, how ambitious this person is. Then we have also discussed the middle finger, which is associated with planet Saturn, and it tells about your judgment skills, your analytical knowledge, your sense of right and wrong, your common sense. We have also discussed the particular traits which are associated with ring finger. Ring finger is associated with planet Sun. It tells about how creative and artistic you are in this life. It also tells about your capacity to attain name and fame and recognition in this life, your ability to impress others. So and it also tells about your ability to take risk. Like if a long finger, like I've seen in the hands of many people who have their ring finger long equivalent to the middle finger, that they take too much interest in all the risk and all the speculation related things, like whether it's about trading or it's about gambling. So this particular trait of the length of the finger also makes someone very risk taking. So now we have already discussed about what happens when there will be different shape of the tip of the ring finger, because see, every finger has got its inherent traits, but how these traits get manifested in the outer world, that is being determined by the shape of the fingertip. We have discussed that. We have also discussed about each and every flange in detail. What are the traits which can be found in the personality of an individual if these flange would remain to be longer or shorter than the standard length. And we have also discussed about the special markings on the ring finger. Now we will discuss about what will happen when you will have different fingerprint pattern at the tip of the ring finger. So let's say if you will find whole, which in Hindi is known as chakra. So let's say if you will find this chakra as a print pattern at the tip of the ring finger, so these people would remain to be very famous for show, which is the signification of the ring finger. These people would also remain to be very honest, and if these people would get into the occupation of teaching or training, so they will also get very good success in that. See, the way we determine the personality traits by looking at the fingerprint pattern is very easy. You need to first understand the attributes assigned to each finger. Then you need to know the archetype qualities of each print pattern. Wall represents your expertise, your dynamism, your honesty, your assertiveness. Your ring finger represents your sattvic qualities because it is associated with planet Saturn. Planet Apollo. Planet Sun. So these things, if you will merge the expertise and assertiveness of Wall with the sattvic qualities of Sun, then you will seriously get a famous, a very honorable, and a very trainer kind of personality in the personality of an individual. So that's about the first fingerprint pattern. Second comes to be our loop. Loop, which in Hindi is known as shank. So if you will find a loop at the tip of the ring finger, loop is formed like this. So if you find a loop at the tip of the ring finger, so these people would say it's a very positive sign to do anything related to the government. Sun, as it represents government. So if you'll find a tip print pattern at the tip of the ring finger as loop, so whether you can easily get into a government job or you can get into any business which involves the role of government. Like the way I always say, one thing never in totality tells or about the outcome of an event or the surety of the trait. It's just like that, you need to understand the whole feature, the basics of the palmistry, and you need to knit it to land to into one conclusion, like the way it happens in astrology. Like the way we first see which house planet is sitting, which sign it is sitting, which all planets are seeing it, then knitting down all the conclusions, we land to one combined conclusion. Same is the case with palmistry. Now comes the third fingerprint pattern, which is our arch. Arch has the arch type qualities. It is known in Hindi as Parvat. So it has got the same arch type qualities. It represents your stability, your practicality, your punctuality, your discipline. This is what are the arch type qualities of an arch. So when it is formed, it is found at the tip of the ring finger. So when it is found at the tip of the ring finger, so it is a positive sign that someone can progress in trade or anything related to accountancy and related to numbers. So this is all what I had to say on the different print patterns when found at the tip of the ring finger. So guys, this is all what I had to say on this. I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates on palmistry, please subscribe my channel, like my Facebook page. Thanks.